This is a brand new 2012 Ram 1500. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, chrome wheels, leather seats, a bed liner, running boards, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.